Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You can probably hear me. It echoes really bad in here, so I'm not going to talk loud. So, it is BEAUTYCON day 1, so I'm doing my makeup for that. I'm in LA too. So I'm in my bathroom. My bathroom's pretty cool. So I have body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. If I break anything, I can't afford it. No, dude, so ramen here is like $7. So I got in last night and I was like so hungry because they kept like making ramen on the flight and I was like, dude, what? So I went down to my hotel and I was like, oh, they have the like cup of ramen or whatever. Dude, $6 for ramen. I don't want to be in LA anymore. So one of the biggest things I was scared of was whether the airport took my makeup. And I was like, if you throw any of that out, I will kill you. Okay, first I'm going to start off with my ABH foundation. It's the new translucent, like, whatever. The only one they have. Oh my god. Okay, if you look at that coverage, like, this is what this part of my skin looked like. Okay, now is a good time to review the ABH foundation, because legit, this like covered my whole face. Like, going in with my Kylie bronzer. So I forgot my big brush, like the one that you like usually contour with. So I'm going in with this one. Ooh, I think that's too defined. So next for Kylie. For highlight, I'm gonna do Ice Me Out in the Kylie. So you're just gonna take this bad boy and pat it on there. Okay, next I'm gonna use my ABH Brow Wiz pencil. And I'm just gonna fluff them out, you know? So you're gonna take the like actual crayon part of it, and I usually start with the tips and I just like point them out to where I want to go, and then I go back and like darken it up. So I brought my neon palette. I'm just gonna kind of wing it, you know? So you're gonna start, and I'm gonna go in with this purple. It's like this lightish purple. If you guys don't have this palette, dude, they're so cute. And like, look at the glow. Okay, so I already went ahead and took that one and then that pink, and I kind of like ombre them out or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my crease, and the only one I brought was this Morphe white concealer. It looked like I just got punched in the face. What the heck? Okay, so now that that has dried, so you're gonna take the pink shimmer in this palette, or you're gonna do Kylie Cosmetics Ocean Child for like the inner part. Can you stay on? Dude, it did that to me last night and I didn't know that it was like a sensor, and I was like, I'm done, I'm leaving. So this is the ColourPop Super Shock in Flexitarian. I might have pronounced that wrong. So I'm just gonna go back and like highlight all the like important parts. I can't fit my finger in here. Oh, I forgot lipstick. So this is my Coco Damn Gina lip kit. Okay, so I'm probably gonna put on a wig, but oh my god, oh. Dude, there's a parking lot down there. Okay guys, so this is the full look. I hope you guys liked it. Okay, so my hair and makeup is done. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna order my Uber, and then I'm gonna leave for the convention, so we'll see you there.